Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another reaction video. Welcome back to another car stands video, not reaction video. Well, I guess this is kind of like a reaction video, but this is called Frankenstein LTO BMW E30. E30. Okay, now guys, before we get started, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love support on the car channel. We're almost to 800 subscribers. Let's hit it and then let's pass it. Okay, also guys, happy New Year's. I hope you guys are having a great one, and let's check this out. From what what they say, photosensitivity warning, guys, be careful. Also, this is red, right? And it's one of the old school BMWs. This is by thelowdown.com. Thank you for the video. Hope you don't mind me reacting to it. And it has a wide body kit. Damn. Does it? Yeah, it does. That shit looks sexy, bro. Oh my god. That was a nice transition. I like that. Oh, bro. Damn. Just the car itself, I know, costs hella money. Unless you buy one that's fucked up and then you make it looks like this, but just the car itself, I know, costs money. And what he did to it, it looks, bruh. I don't know what's up with the girl, but okay. Yeah, this is nice, man. I want to know how much money he put into this. He must have put a couple $100,000. He must have, cause bruh, I know parts for this car is not cheap. Let me see. It's an E30, right? Let me see how much this costs real quick while we're doing this video. Is it an M3? I mean, it don't really matter if it's an M3 or not. It still looks nice. Oh, the E30. It's a classic car. Yeah, they're not. I mean, what is CMB? What kind of currency is CMB? Whoa. They cost fucking money. Excuse my eyes. Excusez-moi. Bruh, they're like almost in the. Bruh. Props to this man. Props to this guy because bruh. Oh my god. That car's expensive. That car is expensive. Holy shit. That's cool. That's cool. man. So sexy, bro. So sexy. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. And I'll see you on the next one, okay? Peace.